Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in Maul's loadout, Saber Throw, Instinct, Vanish, because you need mobility and gap close tools immediately. Once done, push through a flank, dash toward cover, throw a Saber to force a block, then Vanish to reset engagement. Make sure to control the high ground and 1/3 of the lane. That pressure forces opponents into bad trades. Move with purpose and time your first combo to punish predictable defenders, since early momentum decides mid-game tempo. Once you have lane control, transition to disciplined combos, light attacks into Saber Throw to exploit recovery frames, and use Instinct to finish or escape. You should prioritize enemy supports and squishies because Maul's burst converts kills fastest versus lower defenses. Make sure to watch ability cooldowns. Your optimal burst window is 2 to 3 seconds after an opponent wastes a defensive move. If you're low on stamina or facing 2+ foes, back off and re-engage with Vanish to reset the. In the final phases, you close fights decisively. Drop Vanish to reappear behind, land a quick Saber Throw, then use Instinct to finish within 1.5 seconds. Timing wins fights. Make sure to single out a target and call allies to collapse. Maul's solo kills matter less than objectives. If your attacks are consistently blocked, troubleshoot by feinting light attacks to bait blocks, then reset with Vanish and punish predictable defenders. This adjustment fixes most stalled engagements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.